Hello students, welcome to my channel English with Terry. My name is Terry. Welcome if it's your first time here. If not, welcome back. In today's lesson, I want to talk about all the, and all of the. What are the differences and how do we use them? Let's go. So to explain the differences in this video, I want to talk about my favorite thing in the world, dogs. Okay, so we have three phrases here. All dogs, all the dogs, all of the dogs. So what's the difference? If we have three phrases and a little bit more detail, we can see the first phrase is all dogs like meat, meaning in general, all dogs. All the dogs here are mine. If you can imagine this phrase where someone is visiting you and they see 3-4 dogs, say no, you point and look, say all the dogs here are mine. Or the third one is all of the dogs here are mine. So step by step, if we're talking about dogs and we're using these different phrases, I want you to think now that you can talk about dogs just in general, like 100% of all dogs in existence. We're just talking about dogs in general. And then on the other hand, you can talk about a specific group of dogs, maybe dogs that you know or dogs that you can physically see. Okay, so that's that two concepts. One, just talking about dogs in general. And the other one are a specific group of dogs that you know or you can see. If we're talking about dogs in general, here is where we can say all dogs. The moment that you use all and a simple noun with no the, we're talking just about in general, all dogs. All dogs like meat because all dogs are naturally carnivores. Right? It's part of their nature. But the moment I say all dogs, I am referring to 100% of all dogs on planet Earth. Okay? All dogs like meat. In general, 100% of dogs. And this is where, for example, we can also say all dogs have a good sense of smell. And we're all plural noun, and we're just talking about dogs in general, not talking about a specific dog. But the moment that we add the word the, we are now talking about a specific group of dogs. We can say all the dogs here are mine. All the dogs. And that changes from general to specific. Now, what's important to understand is we can add the word of and it's no change in meaning. To say all the dogs here are mine, all of the dogs here are mine, it's the same idea, no change in meaning. Absolutely the same. And this is where it's important to see that both forms are correct. We can say all the in plural noun, all the dogs, all of the dogs, and again it's talking about a specific group of dogs that you know or that you can see. So if we have the three phrases together, all dogs like meat, all of the dogs here are mine, all of the dogs here are. All dogs means in general. 100% of dogs. All dogs like meat. Both are correct in the two forms here. All the dogs are mine. All of the dogs here are mine. Now, in my research, I was checking with a lot of other native speakers, and the general consensus is that with native speakers, we tend to avoid all of. We can use it, it's correct, but if you can see this, the general percentage here, native speakers use all the dogs 80% of the time, and we can use all of the dogs if you want, but it's just less common. Zero change in meaning, just less common. But if we look here, for example, all people need friends and social contact. That's true. Now I'm talking about all people on the planet, everybody. All people need friends and contact. But in the moment we start saying all the people here speak English, this is a specific group of people you can see or talk to, or all of the people here speak English. Again, same idea, same meaning, but all the is just more common. All people need friends and social contact. This is 100% of humans in general, right? I mean, you have to agree. All people need friends and social contact. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really glad I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe, and please subscribe for more videos because I'm making more and more videos, and I hope you enjoy them about fluency, pronunciation and grammar. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.